Hello student, welcome to Olympiadia channel. Today we are going to know how to get 500 days from today without any peripheral device like Google or ChatGPT or other things. We have to just use our mind to get the answer. So how to get 500 day later today and get the answer. So if you agree, let's go to the question and read the question what it said. The question said, what day of date it will be after 500th day from today? So the question asks us about how to the power of our mind and to get the calculation date in our mind. So for this reason, we are going to draw a table. So to answer the question, we know how many years we have get in these 500 days and how many months we get in these 500 days. So first of all, we need to know about how many days contains inside a 1 year. So normally a year has 365 days in itself. There is an exception that in leap year we have 366 days in the leap year. And for month we have normally 30 or 31 days in every month. This is also exception for month. The February month has 28 or 29 days based on the leap years. So let's continue and count the year number. So to get the year number, we have to pay attention to leap year. This year isn't leap year because 2025 isn't a leap year. So the next year also isn't a leap year. So we can assume the days inside a year is 365. And for month, we are going to draw the table and write every days of months. So both of them regard to the current month and the leap year. So let's divide the 500th number to the number of the days inside a year. So 500 divided by 365. And we aim to get the remainder and the quotient. So the quotient said the year number and the remainder said the remaining days after this year. So it's better to perform the division operation and get the answer. 500 divided by 365 get the 1 as quotient and the number 135 as remainder. So we can get the year number as 1 year and the remaining days as 135. So it's the answer. 1 year means that 2025 changed into 2026. So in the date, we have 2026 year. And in the next level, we are going to divide the 135 as remaining days into 30 as the days inside a month. So this is also the aim is to get the quotient and remainder. So 135 divided by 30 get the 4 as quotient and the remainder as the number 15. So the 4 means 4 months after this month and 15 means days after that month. So we can get the date of 500 after today. So the date changed into 2026. And to get the month, we have to notice at the table which contains the days inside every month. So February is 28 days, March is 31 days, April is 30 days, May is 31 days, June is 30 days, and July is 31 days. So 4 months after February is March, April, May, June, and July. So here we have 120 days after February. So the last day of February is 28th. And 4 months after that, we reached into 28th of June. So we can guess that the day plays inside the July month. So the month is July. And there is one thing left, that to get the day of July. What day of July is the answer? To get the answer, we have to notice that March and May have 31 days. So every month have 1 days. So we have to calculate 1 day for every month. So March and May have 31 days inside them. So both of them add up to 2 days. So we have to subtract 15 minus 2 to get the remaining days after July. So 15 minus 2 is equal to 13. 13 means that we reach to 13th of the month July. So the answer is 13th days of the July. So in updated table of dates, we reach to 13th days of July from 2026 year. So the answer can simply reach to 13th days of July 2026. I hope you all enjoyed this video and you can exercise the 1000 days or 10,000 days after today as yourself. So until the next video, stay tuned and goodbye.